Hi, in this video, I'll guide you how to download and install Brainy Prankster and give the quick information about this app. So, if you want to download this app, then go to Google Play Store if you use Android phone, and go to App Store if you use iPhone. Then type the word Brainy Prankster, then you will get this app. So, if you look at the statistics, then you can see the rating of the app 4 out of 5, and 172 megabytes size of the app, and 10 million plus people already download this app. So let's check the help the guy reduce his charm. So you can see help grandma have a better life. So can you change their lives? Take care of all the babies. Help groom find his true love. Help the girl escape. Help her sleep better. So you can see here, this is the puzzle game, and many people give the good ratings. If you want to learn more about this app, then you can go here and read this thing. The app is released recently and download rapidly. So simply tap on the install button, and it takes few time to install in your device.